Hi all, commuting with Candace. So I want to talk to you today about the Augusta Rule. This is a great tax advantage for small businesses. So I'm going to break it down for you. The Augusta Rule means that your business can rent your personal home for up to 14 days a year. Okay? And so what do you rent it? How much are you going to rent it to yourself for? Well, that would be whatever the going rate is in your area. So if I wanted to take my office to someplace for an entire day, say 8 hours or 10 hours, or maybe I'm going to have a retreat for a weekend, what would it cost me to rent an Airbnb for all that period of time, or some other venue? Okay, so it's important to know, because you can't just say, oh, I'm going to rent it to myself for $5,000 a day, unless maybe you live in New York City. Okay, so pay attention to the rental amounts in your area. Okay, so let's just take an example. Let's just say my home, I could rent for $1,000 a day. Okay, so over the course of the year, I decide that 14 times during the year, I'm going to rent my home to my accounting firm and have my staff over. Maybe it's for a training, maybe it's for a retreat day, whatever it's going to be. And I'm going to charge my company $1,000 a day for this. Okay, so now I have a $14,000 deduction to reduce my net profit. And also, I have to report this $14,000 on my personal tax return as income to myself, but I don't have to pay any tax on it, because the Augusta Rule says if I only rent it for 14 days, I don't have to pay tax. So what's the other rule you have to follow? The other rule you have to follow is that you must invoice yourself and you must write a contract. So, just go online, Google it, use ChatGPT, and just write a simple contract. I, Candace Sunny, own this home. I'm renting it to JC Castle Accounting on this day, and this is the amount. That's all you got to write, okay? You invoice yourself, and then you want to just make sure you pay yourself, okay? You could put the money right back in the business if you want to. It doesn't matter, but you want to see that money going out. This is only in case you get audited, which is almost never happens. So you don't have to worry about it. So this is really great. Let's say you live in an area where the going rate might be $2,000, okay? Or you have a luxury home. I mean, there's all kinds of different situations, but whatever it is a tax-free tax deduction, okay? Because it's tax-free to you personally and a big tax deduction to your business. In some cases, this could actually put you in a different tax bracket when the money flows through to your personal tax return. So it's a really great thing. And I'm going to end this with something funny. Okay, I started making videos and I found, boy, when I'm in the car, I can think of all kinds of things to talk about. And so I've just gotten very comfortable making videos in the car. Today, I worked from home. I have nowhere to go. So I am actually sitting in my driveway, in my car, making this video for you because, well, that's just how quirky I am. Well, it's Friday afternoon. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourself, and I will talk to you soon.